Somalia is a country found around the Horn of Africa region on the eastern part of Africa. The country has a population of 16.3 million people, and Mogadishu is the country's capital city. For many years, Somalia has been known for the long civil war that began in 1991 after the overthrow of the military regime. In this video, we present to you some shockingly interesting facts about Somalia that you probably didn't know. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that might want to learn about Africa. The camel is a great part of Somali culture. These animals provide milk, transportation, and also they are used as a form of prestige in the country. A home with camels is considered a very powerful home in the Somali culture. Somalia has the longest coastline on mainland Africa. This coastline is located along the Indian Ocean and it covers a total distance of 3,025 kilometers. It stretches from Ras Kamboni on the southern part of the country and it moves north up to the Gulf of Eden. Somalia also has one of the lowest life expectancies in the world. On average, the men in the country die at the age of 53.5 years, and for the women, these die at the age of 56.5 years. This is due to various factors in the country, and among these is the high violence in the country, then the continued civil war, high levels of poverty, and so many other factors. Somalia as a country is also very famous for the Somali Pirates. These pirates have made it very difficult for international fishing and the cargo vessels that move or travel along the Somali coastline. So if you're to move your cargo from countries like China or India or any of the eastern countries, then probably you might want to have a very heavy cover on insurance, because these guys don't joke. If you would like to know exactly what we mean in this video, go check out movies like Captain Phillips. This really portrays what really happens with these pirates. Somalia is the easternmost country on mainland Africa. The fact that the country is located around the Horn of Africa region, this makes it the farthest country on the eastern part of the continent. Somalia also has one of the highest fertility rates in the world. On average, each woman in Somalia gives birth to 6 children. That's a high number, right? This is due to the cultural beliefs in the country, and they believe that it's very prestigious for a woman to have as many children as possible. Did you also know that the island nation of Madagascar got its name from the Somali capital, Mogadishu? In the 13th century, an explorer by the names of Marco Polo confused Madagascar Island with Mogadishu, and he called it Madagascar. So this was obviously a wrong pronunciation of Mogadishu, and this name kept on, and finally the country was called Madagascar. Farah, one of Britain's most decorated and most successful Olympians, was born in Mogadishu, Somalia. Farah is one of the best long-distance runners that has ever lived, and he was born in the Somali capital, Mogadishu. He only moved to the UK in 1991, and later he was able to get the UK citizenship. The Somali and Arabic language are the official languages used in the country, but there are other major languages spoken like the Italian language and the English language. So if you're planning a visit to Somalia, you should probably learn some few Somali and Arabic words. Somalia is one of Africa's most culturally homogeneous nations. As we all know, many African countries are culturally diverse in terms of tribes and ethnicity. But when it comes to Somalia, 85% of the population comprises of ethnic Somalis. The rest are minority groups, and many of these are found in the southern part of the country. Well, those are the 10 interesting facts about Somalia, a country found in the Horn of Africa. You can let us know which among these 10 shocked you the most down in the comments, and for more of these African videos, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone that would like to learn about Africa. Thank you so much for watching. Watch more here to learn about Africa.